And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Olympian Genevieve Russell and recently crowned World Under-18 champion Dejour Russell have been entered as alternates in their respective events as revealed by the IAAF entry list released on Saturday for the upcoming World Athletics Championships in London.
Genevieve Russell, who is the fastest Jamaican over 400-meter hurdles this year, but was surprisingly fourth at the national championships, is listed as one of the alternates for the event, along with top three Rhonda White, Ristanana Tracy and Leah Nugent. This despite her name not appearing on the list sent out by the J3As. World Under-18 Sprint Hurdles champion Dejour Russell, whose name featured on the original squad list but was subsequently removed, is also entered. He joins Olympic champion Omar McLeod, Ronald Levy and Hansel Parchment in the event. Kenroy Anderson and Andre Clark, whose names were also listed on the J3A's original list but later removed, are also entered for the men's 200 and men's 400-meter hurdles respectively. Anderson is alternate for the 200 with top three Johan Blake, Rashid Dwyer and Warren Weir, while Clark is alternate for the three Jamaicans Jaheel Hyde, Kamar Mowat and Ricardo Cunningham in the men's 400-meter hurdles. Shamira Williams is also entered as an alternate in the women's sprint hurdles, joining reigning champion Danielle Williams, Megan Simmons, Yannick Thompson and Rochelle Burton. Michael Campbell, who was fourth in the 100 meters, is also entered as an alternate and joins world champion Usain Bolt, Johan Blake, Julian Fort and Senna J. Givens. However, no alternate has been entered for the women's 100, with Olympic and Diamond League champion Elaine Thompson, Simone Facey, Natasha Morrison and Jura Levy all gaining spots to run in the individual event.